Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's recipe YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you step by step how to make that delicious dry flatbread with fingerprint patterns, sold in bakeries and essential for kebabs, kebab bread. If you want to make delicious and perfectly textured flatbread, don't forget to watch the video until the end. At this stage, I will share the details of the dough we will prepare for the fingerprint flatbread and kebab bread. The necessary ingredients for the dough are as follows: 1 kilogram white wheat flour, 20 grams fresh yeast, or 7 grams dry yeast, 20 grams salt, 600 milliliters warm water, can be adjusted according to the season. We put all the ingredients into a large kneading bowl and knead the dough thoroughly. After the kneading process is complete, we cover the dough and leave it to ferment for about 1 hour. If the weather is cold and fermentation is progressing slowly, you can speed up the process by using warm water. After the dough has risen, it is divided into portions of about 400 grams each. The portions are rolled into shape and left to rest, covered with a cloth or plastic to prevent them from drying out. Now it's time to shape our breads. The prepared 15 pieces of bread dough are placed on a lightly floured wooden counter. We sprinkle some bran flour on the counter to prevent the dough from sticking. Before starting, our master slightly moistens his hands and then presses and turns the dough, giving it a round shape with quick and skillful movements. No rolling pin needed. Just with his hands, just like therapy. The dough takes a round and smooth form, just like pizza dough. It's really enjoyable just to watch, but the best part, eating it once it's baked. I'm sure you'll get very delicious bread with this recipe. After the dough is rolled out, we come to the trick, our chef's secret sauce, buttermilk. A bit of buttermilk is poured on the breads. This step ensures the bread browns nicely in the oven. The chef carefully spreads the buttermilk over the entire surface by hand. And finally, to give that famous fingerprint pattern, he presses on the dough with his fingertips to shape it. This detail is very important both for the traditional look and that crispy flavor. Now we've reached the stage where the kebab breads go into the oven. Unlike classic flatbreads, these breads will go into the oven flat and will be cut in the middle with a knife right before baking. This way they will puff up as they bake and have a soft interior and crispy exterior. As you can see here, the shaped doughs are placed on the flatbread paddle and our master cuts the dough right in the middle with a single knife stroke. Then, they go straight into the wood-fired stone oven. The oven temperature is between approximately 300 to 400 degrees. Thanks to this high heat, the breads bake in a very short time, about 60 to 90 seconds. But be careful. The breads need to be turned in the oven. Otherwise, one side may brown too much while the other remains pale. And the best part, that unique contribution of wood fire. Pine wood is used here. As the breads bake, the crackling sound of the fire from inside the oven. But be careful. The breads need to be turned in the oven. Otherwise, one side may brown too much while the other remains pale. And the best part, that unique contribution of wood fire. Pine wood is used here. As the breads bake, the crackling sound of the fire from inside the oven both whets the appetite and feels truly relaxing. Right now, I'm sharing the inside of the stone oven with you. It's a very hot environment. For the bakers working here, it's warm in winter and quite suffocating in summer. But the delicious breads that come out are worth it all. The flatbreads don't go straight to the table as soon as they come out of the oven. First, they are left to cool a bit and are covered with a cloth to rest. This way, they stay fresh for longer. Whether with a hot soup or at breakfast with cheese, olives, and tomatoes, or as a delicious companion bread next to oven-baked kebab, it takes its place at the table. And we've reached the end of our video. I hope you liked my recipe for fingerprint, patterned, flatbread, and kebab bread. If you try this recipe too, be sure to write in the comments. I'm curious how it turns out. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with new recipes. That's all from Chef Salim for today. See you in the next recipe. Enjoy your meal.